Hey y'all, welcome to Mangoes and Palm Trees. Craving a taste of Vietnam? Let's dive into an authentic Ca Phe Sua recipe. A bold, refreshing iced coffee straight from Da Nang. Ca Phe Sua is Vietnam's iconic iced coffee. Mix in strong Robusta beans with creamy condensed milk. It's brewed with a phin filter, giving it a rich, nutty kick. Then poured over ice for a perfect chill. Here's how to make it. You'll need 2 tablespoons of ground Robusta coffee, 2 ounces of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, and a cup of ice. First, place the phin filter over a glass. Add the coffee, and pour in a splash of hot water to bloom for 30 seconds. Then, fill it with the rest of the water. Let it drip for 4 to 5 minutes, and stir in the condensed milk. Pour over ice, and stir till it's smooth. In Da Nang, you can sip this at cozy spots like the Rabbit Hole, where the coastal vibe makes every cup special. It's got a little caffeine boost, around 100 milligrams, plus antioxidants for a healthy kick. Head to mangoesandpalmtrees.com for the full recipe and more tropical drinks. Have you tried Ca Phe Sua? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy sipping.